Linen moves. Gap's Spring 24 campaign had great creative direction and marketing all around it. The campaign brought together a dynamic ensemble of renowned dancers, choreographers, creatives, and even Tyla, and was really focused on a canvas for original style. The goal of the campaign was to be a message of unity through movement and individuality while also aligning with one of the biggest trends of Spring/Summer 24, linen. Gap is one of the few brands that caters to every age range, but it's pretty obvious who this campaign's for: Gen Z. With figures like Tyla and the collaboration with Jungle, the campaign appeals to a younger audience. The campaign's focus on movement and personal expression targets those who value creativity and originality in their fashion choices. Now that we've covered the basis of the campaign and who Gap is targeting, let's get into the marketing strategy. Starting off with Gap's positioning, linen's versatility makes it a perfect fit for Gap's focus on personal style. The Gap team wanted to make sure that the campaign was authentic to its message and made sure everyone involved could express themselves with their own style.
I like the bandana. As much as we come in with a point of view and a plan, it's really about receiving and understanding and learning about these people, reading their energy, seeing what they respond to, understanding their personal style, and leaning into that.
Immediately, yes. Just try. Immediately, yes.
Moving on to the marketing channels. How did Gap communicate and reach Gen Z shoppers? They focused on social media, email marketing, press and media, and collaborations, and we're going to go through every single one of them. Starting with social media, Gap teased linen moves 15 days before launch with this sneak peek featuring Tyla. This reel on Instagram got over 159,000 likes and over 1,000 comments, creating high engagement with their community. This creates excitement and anticipation, especially from Tyla fans, who are mostly Gen Z girls and women. Over the next few days until launch, they continued to pose to tease the campaign. When they finally went live, this was the finished video. The campaign spotlight on linen embodies a sense of freedom and versatility that encourages self-expression, making dance the perfect visual to highlight individuality outside of fashion and style. The message speaks to a broad audience, resonating with those who value diversity and inclusivity in fashion. Tyla was such an amazing pick for the face of this campaign. She embodies authenticity and creativity, core values that align with the Linen Moves campaign. Her unique style and artistic expression mirrors the campaign's emphasis on personal style and individuality. Tyla's background in dance and her dynamic performance style make her a perfect fit to bring this concept to life, demonstrating the versatility and comfort of linen. Featuring her in the campaign underscores Gap's commitment to celebrating diverse voices and experiences, resonating with Gen Z's values of inclusivity. Tyla brings a fresh and modern perspective to Gap. Helping to rejuvenate the brand's image, her association with the campaign signals Gap's willingness to innovate and adapt to evolving preferences of younger consumers. Tyla even went on to post content on her own account as well. This gave the campaign more reach to her 6.8 million followers, guaranteeing higher engagement, seeing as her fans will most likely support the partnerships she's a part of. Tyla wasn't the only influential creative in this campaign. They also collaborated with dancers and choreographers with their own audience to help Gap connect with these consumers through partnerships that Gen Z could relate to and trust. Gap also created a highlight for all featured dancers in this campaign and told a story for each of them. This further solidifies the message of individuality and personal style. They each kind of just told their own story and explained what dance meant to them. Gap really doubled down with a lot of behind-the-scenes content for this campaign, allowing the audience to feel much more connected with the actual campaign itself. Gap did a great job making the audience feel like they were really a part of this project with all the behind-the-scenes content that they got. From YouTube to Instagram, they were able to post everywhere. Now on to email marketing. Email marketing wasn't Gap's main focus with this campaign, so they actually only sent out one email. It was very clear and straight to the point and has everything that they needed to convey to the customer. Outside of social media, they really focused on their website to push this campaign. Aimed to reconnect the brand with Gen Z consumers, Tyla's involvement has played a pivotal role in achieving this goal. And beyond her strong social media presence, Gap strategically utilized their website to amplify the campaign's impact. The webpage is where they drove traffic from channels like social media or email marketing. By being the focal point of the campaign, it helps funnel interested users into an environment where they can fully engage with the brand and its offerings. The page serves as a primary destination for all things related to the Linens Move campaign. This includes campaign visuals, videos, interviews with influencers like Tyla, behind-the-scenes footage, and dynamic lookbooks. This storytelling approach helps convey the campaign's theme of movement, freedom, and individuality, resonating with Gen Z's desire for brands to be clear and engaging with their narratives. The website offers a seamless shopping experience, integrating campaign visuals and product links that made it easy to browse, select, and purchase items directly from the Linen Moves collection. This consolidates campaign content, enhances the shopping journey, fosters community, and tells the campaign story in a compelling way. Gap also utilized traditional marketing by using high-profile billboards in Times Square and Tokyo to amplify the campaign's visibility. These high-impact advertisements captured the attention of millions of people, from tourists to media outlets, creating a buzz around the campaign and driving traffic to Gap's website. Publications like Business of Fashion, Bloomberg, and Rolling Stone were all talking about it. The Linen Moves campaign shows that when brands innovate with their customers and the market in mind, they can achieve remarkable success. Tyla's collaboration with Gap significantly contributed to winning over Gen Z consumers, aligning perfectly with the campaign's goals. Through a strategic blend of authentic influence, enhanced digital experience, and high visibility advertising, Gap effectively reconnected with a new generation. Maybe it's time for you to plan your next campaign. That's where the Marketing Studio comes in. We're all about empowering you with the tools and knowledge you need to tackle marketing challenges on your own terms. With our collection of templates, workbooks, and mini courses, you'll have everything you need to develop strategic marketing strategies that not only align with your brand, but also resonates with your target audience. Plus, if you need more personalized guidance, you can book studio hours with us to chat about your unique situation. Visit our website below for more information, and remember, marketing doesn't have to be hard when you have the right resources at your fingertips. Bye!